Can't wait for grilling season.
New for 2024 Mesa Series grill by Monument Grills, and there has definitely been some upgrades from the 2023 model. And before I get to my recipe, which is going to be a tri-tip, I did want to go over just a couple of the features.
Look at those marks. Woo! Man! Is that ain't a delicious meat spread? I do not know what is. It's cut in here. Oh, baby, baby, baby.
In the land of grills, doing another grill review today, folks. We're finishing up our review series on the all-new from Monument Grills. This is their Mesa series, and this is their M415BZ, and this for that. Well, how much would you pay for that? We're gonna show you the price. We're gonna show you there's a
I'm going to talk about the Monument Mesa 415BZ. I'm always impressed by Monument how they can stick so many pieces and parts in such a small box.
Coated. That absolutely helps with the rusting and the cleaning process. That's going to make them more durable, last longer. You've got 570 square inches of cooking space, or it says you can fit 20 hamburgers on there, and I would believe it. With that 48,000 BTU, you get a fast heat up. It achieves 500 degrees.
Oh wow, it's a brand new Monument grill. This is the new Mesa, the Mesa II 415BZ. Let's go put it together. All right guys, let's unbox this Monument Grills. So here's what's in the box. Let's take a look. When you first open it up, it's packaged nicely. It's got some wood in there to keep it from getting crushed. You've got some screws, and you've got your booklets right on top. Now let's lay out the part. So you can use this to take it out of the box. All right guys, so we unboxed our Mesa, and here's your parts. You've got the lower rack, you've got your sides, you have the grill box. Look at those new knobs, don't they look cool? This is your little grease trap tray underneath. These are your doors, and you've got your grill grates there, porcelain coated grill grates. Now let's see what's in these boxes. Wheels and then the other parts. All right, there's your side shelf. All right, this one has a side burner. All right, very nice. All right, and there's our wheels and some brackets. Let's put this bad boy together. Let me show you my brand new grill from Monument Grills. So let's light this grill up and see what it can do. The Mesa II 415BZ is a strong value pick and well-designed gas grill made for small families and everyday home use. It's easy to set up, fast and powerful heating performance, expandable storage. The main cooking area is 405 square inches and delivers over 37,000 BTUs in total. The two left burners deliver 8,500 BTU, and the two on the right, that's the Broil Zone, they crank it up to 10,000 BTUs and have a 12,000 BTU side burner. Just as a pro tip, whenever I'm assembling my Monument grills, I always like to take one of the plastic bags to catch all of the plastic bags, and now I can recycle them. Let's put these wheels in. All right, so we're gonna put the side shelves on. There are 4 screws that we need to back out, and these guys have a little keyhole slot that goes right over the screw, and then you pull it towards the front, and then you're going to tighten that screw. This is the hole for your propane tank, and you want this hole to be on this side. So now we're going to put on this next piece, and you're going to need a couple of screws right in there. So now that we have our back plate on, we're going to put our brackets, our side brackets. There are 4 screws that you're going to want to back out, and this just slides in. So now we're going to put this rail on. Make sure that your magnets are down at the bottom, and then you just line those and put your screws in. All right guys, so we have our cabinet built, and now we need to put the grill on top. Let me show you a trick that I learned. I'm going to turn this to the side. The wheels are locked in place, okay? But this is especially helpful when you're doing the bigger grills, the 6 burners. But use this to help you get that grill up, okay? It just makes it a lot easier to set it into place. And this just screws right into place. Next step is to install your thermometer. This side up, get that in position, put this in behind it. I like that red color, it's pretty. So now you can go ahead and remove this packaging strap, and we're gonna put on our shelf. This is the one with the burner. Let's see. Then you just line up the keyholes. And so this will take 4 screws, and then remember to tighten these as well. And the next step, you're gonna install this hardware. This will come through here, you'll install your button, and this puts up to there. Okay, so whenever you take a look at this, this goes down. On this side, you have a keyhole, so you can just back that one out, but you gotta remove this one to get this part on, okay? So take this one off, take this one off, back this one out pretty far. Let's see. You can put that through there, okay? Slide this guy over. Still needs to come back just a little bit more. Tighten that up. And now you can go in with this screw. Hopefully that saves a few of you some extra time. Okay, for this next step, this comes off. This goes in under. And then this slides on over that part. This is your igniter, and it goes in there. All right, guys, so here is where we are at so far with our assembly. We've put on our side shelves. This one folds down. We put on our lid, our thermometer. Now we need to install the gas line, and we're gonna do that over here on the side. What we're doing is this part right here is gonna go through here. Just line it up, screw it in. And now we're ready to install the doors. You wanna put this piece down in there, set your corner on that, and then push this piece up. And then a new feature for this year for the grease tray is this cup. Just goes like that, and we'll slide it in the back. All right, guys, so our cabinet is put together. We've just got a few finishing touches. If you notice here on the flame tubes, over on this side, you've got a new pattern. Well, you've got a new pattern back here, and that's the Broil Zone. And so you're gonna have some new flame tamers to go on top of that, some new parts, and that's these guys. So these will go over here on this side, over on the Broil Zone, and these will go over on this side. And there you have it, guys. There's the new Monument Grills Mesa II series 415 BZ. All right, guys, so let's take a look at these features on the brand new Mesa II 415 BZ. You've got a side burner, great for cooking your side dishes, for keeping stuff warm. You've got a temperature gauge, the new one that goes up to 800 degrees. You've got the new pattern grill warmer. You've got the new pattern Broil Zone gas tubes, new pattern Broil Zone flame tamers. So this is your broil zone right here, guys, from here to here. And then on this side is your traditional grill. You've got the coated, porcelain coated grill grates. This side table goes down. I need two hands to do that, but this folds down. You've got really cool red accents on the door handles. You've got the new storage pegs for your tongs, your spatulas, all of that stuff. You can put them in the door. You can put them over here on the side. This is a beautiful looking grill from Monument Grills. See, here's that side table. Folds down for storage. That's pretty cool. Bring it up to use it. The Mesa II has distinct heat zones. It's got the broil zone, the regular cooking zone. You've got your side burner. You've got the new warming shelf up there. One of the things that I like about it is, you know, it's quick and easy assembly. It's a great budget grill. If you're just getting started in grilling, this thing is powerful enough, but it won't break the bank. You got plenty of features, all the bells and whistles you could want. You should pick one up today. Check out the link in the video description. This grill features locking casters. You can lock them, unlock them. That's all four wheels. And it rolls around pretty easily. You could do-si-do with your partner. Check out the Monument Grills Mesa II 415 BZ today. Got our pork chops. As you can see on these pork chops, they're starting to get moist up on top. It's time to give them a flip. We'll take our pork chop and we'll run it through the glaze. And there's your pork chop with your glaze. Delicious. All right, guys, so let's check out these pork chops. Got that glaze on it, got some char on it. Let's give it a taste. Wow. Talk about a flavor explosion. You've got the char on the pork chop, the seasoning. Then You've got the glaze of the fig that gives you the sweetness, and then you've got the acidity of the balsamic that comes through, cleans it all up, makes your flavor jets fire, ready for another bite. That's a winner. If you're looking for a new grill, make sure you check out the Monument Grills Mesa II, the new 2 series, Mesa II, the 415BZ. This has the broil zone. You get that extended heat. Super hot. You got the side burner. Make your sauce, your glaze, your beans, your rice, any of those kind of things. And the inside grill gets plenty hot. And that's what you want when you're grilling. Monument Grills is really good at hot and fast. And that's what you want, because you get those great caramelization flavors. The Maillard reaction doesn't happen at low temperatures, happens at high temperatures, and it tastes delicious. Make sure you check it out right here at the Chef's Backyard. We'll see you soon. Make sure you check out more episodes, more videos to come. We'll see you soon. Peace and love.